Welcome. In this video, we're diving into the latest update on how to effectively search through your bookmarks in Google Chrome on your PC. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by a long list of bookmarks, this guide will simplify the process for you. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once it's up and running, we'll move on to the next step. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window. Here, you'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is the Chrome menu. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, hover your cursor over the option that says Bookmarks. A side menu will appear, providing you with several options related to your bookmarks. Now, click on Show All Bookmarks. This action will open a new tab displaying all your saved bookmarks in a neatly organized format. Once you're in the Bookmarks Manager, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. This is where the magic happens. Simply click into this search bar and type in the name or keyword related to the bookmark you want to find. As you type, Chrome will filter through your bookmarks and display relevant results in real time. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, opening Chrome, accessing the menu, selecting bookmarks, and using the search bar, you can quickly locate any bookmark you need without scrolling through endless lists. This new feature is particularly useful for those who have accumulated a vast collection of bookmarks over time. It saves you time and enhances your browsing experience by allowing you to find what you need instantly. Thank you for joining me today, as we explored how to search bookmarks in Google Chrome on your PC with this new update. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy browsing!